I'm Skeeter, and I'm an actual client of Ponce Law. Where I worked, we were subjected to a lot of siren and explosions from firework events, things of that nature. The firing range, shooting guns had, directly affected my hearing. I told them my story, what I did for a living, and what all was going on and what was happening. When I'd call, they would call me right back. I felt like I was their only client because they treated me, so well. Return calls, answered all questions. So I couldn't ask to be treated any better than I was. Like I say, they took the time, they answered my call. If they were, again, if I called and they weren't there, I know I'm not their only client, but when they called me back, I was their only client. They didn't talk about anything else except what I needed to know and what I needed to do. And they guided me through that whole process, and I was like a passenger in a plane. All I did was sit back, and when the stewardess come by, I'd say, "How's things going?" So the legal issues and getting this done and jumping through the hoops, and I felt that, without a firm like this, and Ponce Law being the firm that I recommend to everybody, is that they take care of the paperwork and the process. And their process, who the people they deal with, is court papers with fine print, large print. And for an individual that, like me, that's not got the law degree, you could sign something and sign your rights away forever and not know it because you didn't understand the terminology. So you've got to have somebody to run the bases for you. You can swing the bat all day long. If you get a hit, somebody's got to run the bases. And these people run the bases. I won my case, and now I'm going to have hearing aids for the rest of my life, and I've been thankful ever since. My wife even, has to tell me now, turn the TV up so I can hear it. Yeah, Ponce Law definitely changed my life. I can hear again. Ponce Law is the firm that I would recommend to everybody to get the job done, to get the job done right and quickly. I think that no matter who you are, they'll take you in as a client, and if they can help you, they will. They've got a good reputation. If they didn't have a good reputation at Ponce Law, then things wouldn't be done as quickly as they are. They get the respect, they have the respect, and I recommend Ponce Law to everybody. Ponce Law, justice for all.